In the times of coronavirus lockdown, it is really difficult for the children to restrict themselves to their homes. Instead of going out and playing with their friends, they have to sit at home all day, which can get quite boring. In today's video, I have come up with 10 amazing books for children which will cheer them up during lockdown. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Children are full of energy and liveliness, and they are constantly on the lookout for new adventures. But in the current times of pandemic, they cannot go out and spend time with their friends. It is a real challenge for the parents to keep their kids occupied. This is the perfect time to introduce the children to the magic of books. Books can entertain the children, and at the same time, they help in the overall development of a kid's mind and senses. I had earlier also made a video about 10 amazing children's books which everybody should read. I will leave the link in the description box. In today's video, I bring to you 10 more awesome books for children to help them beat boredom and staying upbeat during lockdown. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is Great Stories for Children by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond needs no introduction. His books are loved by children and adults alike. Great Stories for Children is an assortment of colorful and enthralling stories which will engage the children in the fascinating world of its endearing characters. There are 18 stories in the book in which the author mentions about Tutu, a mischievous monkey, a baby python, a parrot, a pret, and many more interesting characters. The first few stories are about friendships between the kids. Then there are some ghost stories with some friendly ghosts and some naughty ones. The book will take the children up and down the hills, among the trees and enticing flowers, leopards, tigers, pythons, ghosts, and some heartwarming friendships. This book is a delightful read that the children will definitely enjoy. The next book is Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator by Roald Dahl. This is a less known but equally enthralling sequel to Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In this book, Charlie goes on another funny and exciting adventure with Willy Wonka. This time, they accidentally travel to space. Just when they are about to land on a luxury space hotel, they are attacked by evil aliens who like to eat humans. Roald Dahl's wild imagination and surreal writing will make the children fall in love with reading. The next book is The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. This book is regarded as one of the best-selling children's books of all time. The story revolves around a tall cat who shows up at the house of Sally and her brother one rainy day when their mother is away. Despite the repeated objections of the children's fish, the cat shows the children certain tricks to entertain them. And in the process, the cat and his companions make the mess of the house. The children become more and more alarmed until the cat clears up the mess and disappears before Sally's mother returns home. This is such a delightful book that children will love to read. The next book is The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse by Charlie Mackesy. I read this book earlier this year and I fell in love with the writing and beautiful illustrations. The book has sold thousands of copies worldwide and is loved by readers of all ages. The book celebrates love, friendship, kindness and compassion. The four main characters, the boy, the mole, the horse and the fox forge a beautiful friendship. The book is based on the conversations that the author has had with his friends and reflects on the simple and beautiful moments of life. The next book is Peter Pan by J.M. Barrie. This timeless children's classic is about a free-spirited and a playful young boy, Peter Pan, who can fly and never grows up. He spends his never-ending childhood in adventures on Neverland as a leader of the Lost Boys. He interacts with fairies, mermaids, pirates, Native Americans, and occasionally with the boys from the outside world. This book is a pure joy to read. The next book is Grandma's Bag of Stories by Sudha Murthy. This is one of the most well-known Sudha Murthy books for kids. The book begins when a bunch of children visit their grandparents in a village. At night, the children gather around their grandmother for her storytelling session. The book is an assortment of delightful stories about kings, princes, kingdoms, gods, cheats, and various animals. The book brings back the warm adventure of childhood and interesting stories that our grandmothers used to tell us. The next book is Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. This popular classic is a whimsical tale of magic and nonsense. The book tells the story of a young girl, Alice, who falls through a rabbit hole into the underground fantasy world, populated by strange and peculiar creatures. The novel invites you into a world with talking animals and magical plants. The book has delighted adults and children alike since ages, with the blurring of boundaries between real and make-believe. A highly recommended book. The next book is The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. In this masterpiece, Ruskin Bond tells the story of a beautiful blue umbrella. A village girl, Binya, sells off her necklace to tourists in exchange for an exquisite blue umbrella. Now everybody in the village is jealous of her because of that blue umbrella. The village shopkeeper becomes obsessed with the umbrella and wants it at any cost. Through this story, Ruskin Bond has dealt with complex human emotions like jealousy, envy, greed, possessiveness. He weaves magic with his words and teaches the children the values of compassion and kindness through this story. This is the perfect feel-good book for your children. The next book is Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. This is an absolutely delightful read. The book is set in the fictitious town of Malgudi. The book presents a refreshing view of village life during the pre-independence era through the perspective of 10 years old Swami. Excellent storytelling, a great sense of humor, and a child's happy spirit pervades the entire book. Adventures of Swami and his group of friends never fail to amuse the readers. And the last book is The Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney. The Diary of a Wimpy Kid is a series of fiction books written by American author and cartoonist Jeff Kinney. The book is about a pre-teen Greg Heffley who illustrates his daily life in a secret diary. He writes about his struggles to fit in as he begins middle school. The book is so funny, endearing, and captivating. The beautiful illustrations makes the book all the more appealing to children. So these were my book recommendations for children during this lockdown. Have you read any of these books? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.